Former Chief Minister and Congress Legislative Party leader O. Aibobi Singh, a three-time Chief Minister of Manipur and highly regarded political stalwart, on Thursday led the Congress in paying homage to Mahatma Gandhi on his 156th birth anniversary and Lal Bahadur Shastri on his 121st birth anniversary. Speaking at a commemorative function, Aibobi Singh highlighted Gandhi's enduring legacy, saying he is remembered not only for his ideology, principles and non-violence, but also for empowering local governance institutions such as Gram Panchayats and autonomous district councils. Quoting Gandhi, he added, India cannot become truly developed unless both rural and urban areas are developed and 70% of the population living in rural areas and its panchayats are strengthened. He also strongly criticized the delay in conducting panchayat and urban local body elections in Manipur, noting that both the Supreme Court of India and the Manipur High Court have directed that elections be held within 6 months. By delaying these elections, the government is defying the orders of the Supreme Court, he said, urging authorities to uphold democratic processes and strengthen local self-governance.
Today, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee is organizing 156th birth anniversary of late Bapuji, father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, late Prime Minister of India. Lal Bahadur Shastri is 121 years of his birth anniversary. So we are offering the Congress leaders, Congress workers, we are organizing to offer tribute to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, for his principle, ideology, non-violence, and also his empowering to the local bodies like Gram Panchayat and the autonomous district council. He said, just like God say, he said that India cannot say India is developed unless 70% of the Panchayat rural area, including hill area, is not developed. What he say is not mean let us not develop the urban area. Both urban and the rural area, Panchayat and district council area should be equally developed. Otherwise, India cannot say India is developed. So we are remembering this father of the nation, Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi ji, and Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. So we are organizing this valuable function.
Sir, just one question. As the CLP leader, sir, are you happy with the administration of this PR government? You mentioned about local government also, but there is no local election in Manipur also. Any comment?
So even as I have already mentioned in our local the press briefing, even Supreme Court and the Honorable High Court of Manipur, they have given clear instruction that this local body election should be held within 6 months. I don't know whether these people are believing the trust, the ruling of the High Court or Supreme Court. That's why the entire institution, including Supreme Court, High Court, whether it is properly running or not. Let us see. The Honorable High Court and including Honorable Supreme Court has given directive. This local body election should be held within 6 months.